Hi. First of all, let me explain why URL shortening tools are important for your affiliate links. Well, the first reason is that they turn an ugly URL like this one with many parameters into a pretty URL like the one below. And if you opt for the solution showed in this video, you can also have a URL with your domain name. The second reason is that you can track the clicks on your short link. In fact, it's very important to compare your stats with those of the affiliate program. If there is a difference, it means that you probably have a technical problem that you need to resolve as soon as possible. You should also track the origins of clicks. For this, you can create different short links for the same affiliate link and then track the clicks for each of them separately to see which one performs better. The third reason is maintenance. Imagine you put your affiliate link in many places and then you want to change it. You will have to modify it one by one in all the places you paste it. However, if you use a short link, you will only make the change in one place. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add shortening tool to WordPress website. I will show you also other possibilities in case you don't have a WordPress website. So stay tuned and follow with me. Hi everybody, I am Mohamed from Smart DigiWeb. I am happy to be with you in this video. Before to start, please subscribe to get any update. Well, let's first take a look at some possibilities of URL shortening tools. The first possibility is to subscribe to software as service platforms like Bitly. If you look at their offers, you will find one free, but it has some limits. You can only customize 50 links with your own words. You can have 1000 links, which is good for newbies. However, you only get last month's report. The second option is to buy short URL scripts from the CodeCanyon marketplace and build your own URL shortening tool. If you are interested in this option, you can check this video from my channel where I describe step by step how to install PHP scripts on cPanel. Well, the third option that I will cover in detail in this video requires a WordPress website. In this video, I will use the smartdigiweb.com website, which is associated with my YouTube channel. It contains a blog in which I cover the same topics as on my channel, where I also embed my videos. Let's move to the admin side. Well, first we need to install a plugin named Pretty Links. To do this, click on Plugins, then click on Add New. Then do a search for Pretty Link. Well, this is the plugin we're going to install. Just click on Install Now. Then, once installed, click on Activate. Great, the plugin is now installed. Now let's create a first short link. To do this, click on the Pretty Link menu and then click on Add New. First, enter a title for your short link. Then choose a type of redirection. 301 means the short link will always be redirected to the target link. For affiliate links, it's better to choose 307 or 302 as you can change your target link later. Then enter your affiliate link here in the target URL field. Here in the next field, you can enter a suitable keyword for your short link. In the Advanced tab, keep the option nofollow checked. It is better for the SEO of your website. By this, you are telling Google not to treat your website as a referrer of the targeted website. Then for affiliate links, check the sponsored box. The following option can be used in case you want to pass parameters from your short link to the targeted link. Obviously, we will not do this for short affiliate links since we want pretty links. Finally, keep tracking checked since we want to track clicks. If you upgrade to the Pro version, you will have more features in this tab. You can find more information about the paid version on the Pretty Links website. If you click on pricing, you can see that there are 3 offers with almost the same features. It only differs in the number of websites you want to use this plugin on. The most important paid feature, in my opinion, is the ability to associate short link with certain keywords. When this tool finds these keywords, it automatically replaces them with the short link. You have also geographic redirects and the ability to automatically add affiliate link disclosure on pages and posts. Now let's check out the short affiliate link we just created. Well, let's paste it here in this web browser. Great. As you notice, it redirects me to my target affiliate URL. Now if we go back to the Pretty Link plugin, you can see that the last click has been counted. If you click here, you can see a graphical report on the number of clicks. Let's see this on another blog where I have been using this plugin for a while. If I click here, I have last month's graph report. You can also click here on Customize Report to change the period by selecting start date and end date, then click on Customize. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you soon in another video. Goodbye.